For me, I have the great honor of putting in a temple a letter that our daughter, Zuzu, wrote as a catharsis to sort of avenge and release anger and angst and trauma for the 3 people on this planet who hurt her terribly. And she read it to me before she left, because I asked her if there was something she wanted me to place in it that could be put in a place that was just going to be eviscerated. And with that, it's a part of her releasing that angst and an intention that at least those people go forward with the knowledge of the trauma that they've caused, and that hopefully helps prevent that kind of trauma for others in the future. So, yeah.
I want the physical exercise, practice of leaving that grief, writing it out, watching it burn, like a flag in the sand, the physical thing of doing it, the action of doing it. Because it's not a one and done thing, letting go of grief. It's a continual process. So when that memory comes again, I can say, well, hey there, grief, I remember you. And guess what? In my mind, I'm going to leave you there again. I'm going to leave you there again. I'm going to leave you there again because it's a process. A lot of us know. Cagey, I really need this. I need this. I know I'm not the only person, so I'm grateful for that, for this crew who's making the place, to make it do it. That's it. Thank you.